have a question.
Ask me, Boxy.
Is home learning the same as homeschooling?
No, it is different. Homeschooling means a child learns at home and they do not have to go to school. But home learning need not be just at home. A school-going child can also do home learning.
Is it like homework?
No, Boxy, it's not. Home learning for young children like you is all about having fun, doing activities, experiencing the surroundings, and having conversations and learning from all those.
That sounds so much fun. Why is everyone not doing it?
Everybody does it. All you're doing is you're helping parents and children do it better.
So I can help children and parents to have fun at the same time learn? I feel awesome.